Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today we will be making chocolate cupcakes. Before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to like the video and leave your comments in the comment section below. So let's get started. To make these cupcakes, first we have to make our buttermilk. For that, in our milk we will add in our vinegar and then give it a quick mix and let it set aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. The first step is to prep our dry ingredients. In our flour, we will add in our baking powder, the baking soda and the salt and give it a quick whisk. We will not be adding cocoa powder here because in this recipe it is considered as a wet ingredient. Now we shall prepare our wet ingredients. So in our warm water we will add in our cocoa powder, and give it a proper whisk. We want all the cocoa powder lumps to go off and dissolve in the water. Once everything is well mixed, we will add in the prepared buttermilk. As you can see, the milk is being separated into curds. This is the perfect stage and we have reached here in about 5 to 10 minutes. Once I have added the buttermilk, we will quickly give it a whisk. If you want, you can also add vanilla extract, which is optional. Now let's prepare the batter. For that, in a clean bowl, we will add in unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter, but the main thing here is that it should be softened. It should be at room temperature. Now we will add in our sugar. I am using powdered sugar. If you want, you can also use caster sugar or the breakfast sugar. Once we have added both of our ingredients, we will now beat it using an electric hand mixer for about 5 to 10 minutes or else until it is all creamy. After 5 to 10 minutes, the mixture is perfect, and now we will add in our eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Don't forget to scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl, as it will ensure that there is no butter or sugar hiding at the bottom of the bowl. Once everything is well scraped, we can now continue whipping it up. Once everything is prepared, we will add the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients alternatively into the butter mixture, starting and ending with the dry. I am adding the dry ingredients in 4 parts and the wet ingredients in 3 parts. Always finish making your batter by scraping the sides and bottom of the bowl using a rubber spatula. Now here I have a cupcake tray which I am lining with paper cupcake cases or cupcake liners. This part is completely optional, this just makes it look more fancy and decorative. If you don't want, you can completely skip it. Once we have lined all our cupcake molds, we will scoop in a batter using an ice cream scoop. If you want, you can also use some other measure as a tablespoon or a quarter cup measurement. It's all up to the cake pan that you use. Once we have filled all our cupcake cases, we will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, or unless a skewer inserted comes out clean. Once the cupcakes have baked, give them plenty of time to cool and then level it off like I have done so they have a flatter top for better decoration. Now take a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle. This is an open star nozzle, built-in 1mm tip, and now we will open up the bag and spread it around our hands like shown in the video. I am using purple gel food color. You can use any color, but remember it should be gel food color. Now using a skewer, we will make 4 lines in the piping bag like shown in the video. Just see it properly and try to make 4 lines as clean as possible, as it will help us give a very nice effect during the icing. Once you are satisfied with the strokes you have made, fill in buttercream or whipping cream. Today I am using plain whipping cream. You can also use any kind of buttercream or a meringue based buttercream. But remember to work fast. Once we have filled in our whipping cream or the buttercream, pull away the sides and then squeeze the icing in the front. Twist the bag and you can see all the colors that we have made. To decorate our cupcakes, today we will be making rosettes. For that, we will keep the piping bag perpendicular to a cupcake, and starting from the center, we will move outwards during making a spiral motion like this. I hope you liked this recipe of chocolate cupcakes, and if you did, then do make this and share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful recipes. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.